good afternoon, guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Albura Marina. Yeah, I was coming from work and I drive straight here, and now I am going to eat. Yeah, lunch is special in one of the Thai restaurant over there. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I actually finish at 12 o'clock, not 2 o'clock. I'm doing a split shift today because I don't have enough kitchen stuff. Yeah, so I'm going back to work later at 6 o'clock, 7, 8 until 8 o'clock. Yeah, so it's still 8 hours of work. Over there is the new laundry shop, but like what I've said, yeah, they don't have a table where I can fold the clothes. That's the reason why I did my laundry in Mayfield 2 days ago. Yeah, that one, that Sonan Thai restaurant. That's where I am going to eat. I hope they have kind of pork, crispy pork. And we are now here, and this is what I'm going to eat. This crispy pork with broccoli and rice. Yeah, amazing. I love it. It tastes so good. But I'm very full already. Yeah, so I'm going to have it take away. I'm not going to finish it all because if I eat too much, it's going to be a big problem. I actually did not check how much is the price before ordering. I just said the pork belly one, the crispy pork. Yeah, and it's $27. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I actually just woke up. It is now 5:18 and I'm going back to work. Like what I said, I have a split shift today. We are having this kind of schedule because of the other Filipino guy who resigned 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and so the roster has been broken like this. Like last week, we have 1 day off. This week, we have 1 day off until 2 weeks more. That is going to be like that. But there is one new guy who resigned before. He works somewhere else here in Nelson Bay, and now he is coming back to work again in our kitchen. Yeah, it's good. So I will maybe see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be day off. I'm not sure if I'm going to Newcastle. Yeah, we'll see. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, I am day off today, and yeah, there's no plan because this is just 1 day off. Now I'm going to have my breakfast. Already 9 o'clock, and this is how it is outside here. Yeah, lots of people actually walking along the beach with their dogs, but we are not going to walk. Actually, we're going to walk inside over there in the usual way of my bike. But let me show you something. Look at this. I just noticed this one. Yeah, look at that. It is properly made. I don't know if it's normally here or it just dropped coming from up there. I'm just going to walk around here while listening to the music. There's one guy over there fishing. Nice. And then there's a couple over that side. They are paddle boarding. You're everything I need. You're everything to me. Oh God. You're every woman in the world to me. I am now a little bit far from my car. Yeah, we are now here in Dutchess Beach. It's beautiful here. Yeah, we are now here in Nelson Bay, Albura Marina, but I am going this way. Yeah, there is a way here. I know it's crazy, but lots of cars in here. It means that lots of people are fishing. Yeah, lots of them over that side. And you smile, I reach out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. Yeah, we are now here at Albura Marina. I'm going to buy an ice cream. Yeah, over there. Yeah, this is what I got. This is salted caramel ice cream. And this is $6. Delicious actually.
I was wearing like my.
Going back to my van, I'm going to ride the bus. I am now feeling lazy to just walk. Yeah. Yeah, just get down from the bus and we are now here in Banyal car park. Yeah, just inside there is where I am going to walk, going back to the van. It's actually already 12 o'clock. Yeah, so I have been in the Nelson Bay for a couple of hours. Oh, we go to the beach actually. We walk along the beach. There are some people here. Looks like a family. Very nice. It is actually low tide now. When I left the van, yeah, it was high tide. Now it's low tide. Big space now. Yeah. Just when I left, you see the water? It's all the way over there. Yeah. Now it's so wide. Not too windy. As you can see, the water looks calm. Also, it's shallow. Even kids can go through all the way to that, and not even under to the knee, the water. I'm actually hungry now. Yeah, when I was in the coffee shop, there is nothing that I like. mostly are just sweets, cookies, sandwiches. Yeah, I prepare rice, and I have rice in my bun, the microwavable one. And yeah, we are, oh, there's poops of the dog. Yeah, we are back here in the van.